Hi, this is Nehal from Rectangledio and I'm here to tell you on how to set customer journey to your Rectangle.io location. Follow these steps. Log into your Rectangle.io dashboard and select the location where you want to set up the customer journey mapping. From the left-hand menu, click on Business Profile. Select the Customer Journey section. On the right side, you will see a column called Actions. Here, you can preview the page, copy the URL to share it with others, or click the Edit button to start customizing your customer journey map. You have two options for collecting feedback: reviews or both true form and review. To collect reviews only, click the Edit button and select Review in step 1. Then click on Update Flow. After exiting the page, in the customer journey section, you can see step 1 flow as a review and step 2 flow as no flow set. To collect both true form and reviews, click the edit button and select true form in step 1. After that, you need to integrate the true form with the one you have created in the true form section. Next, select review in step 2 and exit the page. In the customer journey section, you can see this step 1 flow as true form and the step 2 flow as review. Once you have set up your customer journey map, you can start tracking customer feedback and interactions. You can view responses in the True Form Reports tab and use the insight to make data-driven decisions for your business. By utilizing the Customer Journey Mappings feature on Rectangle.io, you can gain valuable insights into your customer experiences and improve your overall business operations. Hope this helps. Thank you.